Hi, I'm Kristina Gessel. I'm a computer science student at the College of Engineering, and I focus on digital restoration in my research at the University of Kentucky. I came here for a tour, and just the whole experience of being on this campus, it just felt right. And I had not had that feeling from any of my universities at home. It just felt like a place that I belonged, and I really wanted to be here. There's a tremendous opportunity here to get involved with research. It's really amazing. It's been eye-opening, all the research opportunities that are here. I have many friends who have gotten involved with other kinds of research, and they're really enjoying that too. So last year, as a senior at my undergrad, I traveled to Oxford, England with the team, where we gave a presentation about our research to people at Oxford University, and that was really exciting. Our team worked on a particular scroll that was opened called PHERC 118. And this scroll was unlike others that it was open. People had tried to open it, and it was placed on 12 different plates. The text wasn't very readable on these plates, so we did some work with hyperspectral imaging to try to improve the contrast between the ink and the background. And we went to Oxford to show the results of that and the entire process that we went through to get those results. A big challenge was understanding the technology behind what we were doing, how the hyperspectral imaging worked, how to use the software to obtain the results that we did. It was very challenging, but it was really, really cool to see it all come together and see our end product. It's really fascinating to me to see these documents that people can't do much with. What they can see with their eyes is not everything that's there. And it's just really amazing to me to see that there's technology that can actually recover as much as we can off of these documents. Being involved with this research has kind of evoked a passion of learning more about research. As an undergrad, I've always been interested in getting involved in research, and I hadn't really had the opportunity until my senior year. So I'm part of the University Scholars Program and got accepted into that program, and that is why I'm pursuing my master's now. And I wanted a way to stay involved in the research while also investigating these other opportunities, the possibility of maybe I enjoy teaching. I hadn't had any prior experience teaching. So that just fit really well to be a TA for Dr. Seals both last semester and this semester, and it's been an amazing experience. And I'm still considering possibly going for a PhD because research is fascinating to me. What I've seen here is just absolutely awesome.